Are you still running your business the old-fashioned way? Wasting hours on tasks that a machine could do in seconds? Well, it's time to level up. In this video, I'm breaking down 25 insanely practical reasons why smart entrepreneurs are using AI tools to grow faster, work smarter, and crush the competition. Number 1. You can save time. AI does tasks faster than humans. Number 2. Cut costs. Reduces need for extra staff. Number 3. Work 24/7. AI doesn't need sleep or breaks. Number 4. Reply to customers instantly. Chatbots handle questions right away. Number 5. Create content quickly. AI can write blogs, emails, and ads in minutes. Number 6. Find leads automatically. AI tools can spot potential customers online. Number 7. Send better marketing emails. AI knows when and what to send. Number 8. Understand customers better. AI finds patterns in customer behavior. Number 9. Personalize customer experience. Suggests products based on past actions. Number 10. Boost sales. Smarter targeting leads to more conversions. Number 11. Manage social media. Schedule and post content automatically. Number 12. Track your brand reputation. AI scans internet for what people say. Number 13. Make smart decisions. Uses data to suggest next steps. Number 14. Forecast future sales. Predicts demand using past data. Number 15. Hire faster. AI can screen and rank job candidates. Number 16. Analyze resumes. AI can quickly find the right talent. Number 17. Train staff with AI tutors. Personalized learning based on employee level. Number 18. Spot frauds. AI flags unusual or risky activity. Number 19. Create reports instantly. No need to calculate everything manually. Number 20. Monitor performance in real time. Dashboards show how your business is doing. Number 21. Help in product design. AI finds what customers want. Number 22. Improve website experience. AI helps guide users better. Number 23. Reduce human error. Machines make fewer mistakes. Number 24. Answer FAQs automatically. Chatbots handle common queries. And number 25. Manage inventory better. Know what to restock and when. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.